Be honest with yourself. How long you don dey wait for the right time? Right time to start a business, right time to learn a skill, right time to post your con ten t. Make I shock you small, right time no dey exist. William Butler talk am years ago say, do not wait to strike till the iron is heat, but make it hot by striking. No dey wait for market to boom o. Start small fire, create your own heat. For Naija street, opportunity no dey wear uniform. E no dey blow whistle say, now is the time o. If you wait make everything balance, you go wait tire o. Look around you well now. Dat barber wey no get shop, wey now get shop, e start for roadside with one chair and generator noise. Dat woman wey dey sell food for junction, she bin start with one pot and cooler o. Dat POS agent wey now open 2 outlets, the man start when people still dey laugh say POS no go work for dis area o. Dem no wait for market to hot, dem strike and the heat follow. Movement attract at ten tion, action attract customers, consis ten cy attract growth. Market no dey reward who dey wait o, market dey reward who dey try. Even if your strike weak, even if your hand dey shake, strike first, because na dat first strike wey go warm the iron o. If you get 10k, abeg start. If na phone you get, use am now. If na small skill, abeg sell am. No dey wait for perfect setup. Perfect no dey feed anybody. If dis message hit you for chest, abeg drop "I dey strike" for comment, and no forget subscribe to Street MBA with Kapick for weekly business sense wey dey turn fear into fire.